I'm quite excited to unwrap my new jointer. Welcome to Tiger Carpenter. Today is the special day for me because I'm going to launch for the first time my new jointer. It's a 12-inch jointer with the cast iron tables. So I adjusted it slightly below the outfit table just to barely cut it. I think it's 0.5 mm or 0.7 mm. The machine is using 16 amps. Let's try. I have already run a few passes, but it is really smooth. I'm using helical or spiral head cutter. This board was very twisted, but so far so good. It's really smooth right out of the machine. You basically could use it straight away. When we put it on the table, I can see that it's dead flat. And just to experiment, I'm going to take one more pass with slightly higher cut. That was really effortlessly. Beautiful flat surface. Let's check it against the table, which should be dead flat. It's perfect. Okay, the test successfully passed. Very happy. And here we can see the chips. The machine is very tidy. It didn't actually cause a lot of trouble on the floor. The chips stayed within the cage. As you can see here, the chips are very nice, and they stayed inside the output cage. So very happy about the machine. So far everything is fine.